And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their USB-C docking station. Now this works with the new MacBooks, gigabit Ethernet, keyboard, mouse, flash drive, HD, etc. So let's take a look at this docking station. And HD expansion with triple display, USB 3.0 high-speed transmission, 1000 megabits per second stable and consistent, supports 4 terabyte hard drive, 100 watt PD charging. All right, let's get this out. Oh, nice. So this is an instruction booklet. That's it for in the box. Got a nice product manual here. Little diagram of what everything is. And then here is your USB-C docking station. So a nice little USB-C cable here. It'll plug right into any MacBook or basically any computer in 2023. The front here has the gigabit Ethernet port as well as a VGA port. This side has HDMI 1 and HDMI 2 as well as a USB-C port and 2 USB 3.0 ports. This side over here has the USB-C port, the PD 3.0. This is the one that will do the 100 watts of charging, and a USB 3.0 as well as 2 USB 2.0s, and then a full SD card slot as well as a micro SD card slot. So you can plug a lot of different things into this, and it also has a headphone jack. So this would be great. You could use one USB port on your iMac, for example. You'd still be able to plug in another USB device here and charge one really fast over here. Plug in multiple hard drives. I mean, you got 5 USBs, 3 USB 3.0s, and of course, yeah, you could expand up to 3 monitors, possibly 4. You could use a USB-C and 2 HDMIs and a VGA, or, just any mixture of that. That'll essentially do it though for this unboxing. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this to unbox and explain to you exactly what it could be used for. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.